So make sure to go check that out. And subscribe, follow if you want to stay updated with all the latest information and potentially be here for one of these future live sessions. The next thing we are going to be looking at is actually a currency. And we've actually done a video on it before. Yep. So let's get into this. Boom. We're going to be looking at the British pound sterling, but more specifically a US derivative that we might not have covered in the previous video. If you go to my YouTube channel, right here at the top, there's this little search bar. You can type in the name of a company, commodity, whatever it is you might be interested in. You can see all the videos we've made about it previously. As you can see right here, 2 months ago, we made a video on the British pound sterling, and we're going to quickly recap here. Make sure to go watch that if you'd like to see part 1. So as you can see, the British pound is one of my favorite currencies to be investing in right now. As you can see, there's this trend right here, horizontal, little bit of a descending price channel. But as you can see, we're projecting as much as a 26.82% gain in the British pound sterling. Now, why do we think this? Well, this is a currency pair, right? So it's GBP weighted against USD. USD is currently extremely overvalued right now and is looking for a massive pullback. And because of that, we're going to see a lot of these foreign currencies start to gain steam and start gaining momentum. Out of all of them, the British pound would be my favorite. Probably in second place would be the Japanese yen. Those would be the two that I would be leaning into if I was a Forex trader looking to do that. Now, a lot of brokerages don't offer access to currency pairs depending on what your preferred brokerage is. Now, because of that, there's also a US derivative you could gain exposure with, and it's called the FXB, right? FXB right here. I don't have this mostly charted, but typically when you're trading these derivatives, you want to be using the actual underlyings, right? So that's why I was just showing the British pound weighted over USD. You would want to be doing all your technical analysis in there, but then coming over here to this symbol, FXB, to be placing your trades if your brokerage does not allow you to get access to currency pairs. We're expecting as much as a 25% gain. That may not sound like a lot, but again, we're talking about an entire nation's currency, right? So these moves are pretty massive. When these currencies move, the assets of that region can move a lot. So it's definitely something to keep your eye on. This derivative also offers a 0.18% dividend, just something to keep in mind. And I believe that's everything I want to say about the British pound right now. Again, we do have this video right here. Make sure to go check that out. Ethan Wrenn on YouTube. And you can watch part 1. We're going to move into our next symbol here.